Hi, welcome back again. So in my last chapter, I'm sharing about, what is the benefits about drinking this active hydrogen water. But most of the time we are drinking this bottled water, filter water. The water also have a different pH like RO water or mineral water. How come suddenly nowadays in the world that a lot of people is talking about drinking active hydrogen water? How does it begin? So today I'd like to share with you all how these scientists and researchers, they actually go to a few places in France, Mexico, Germany, and India. They collect the water because there is a lot of people. They go to these places and they collect the water and they drink it, and their health was improved. So they are amazed with how the water can transform people's life. This group of the researchers and the scientists, they bring the water back and they do the test, and they found out that inside this water contain a lot of active hydrogen. Three very important properties inside this active hydrogen. The water that you drink in and do the function antioxidations is because of full of a lot of hydrogen. It is alkalized. The water is alkalized. Third is the water molecule is very fine.
One is it hydrates your brain in 30 seconds. The water is microcluster, so it goes all over the body. Next, you're going to detox, which means the water is going to start cleaning your body. You might go to the restroom a little bit more, okay? Third is you're going to sleep better. The reason why is because the water hydrates your brain. Your brain produces melatonin. Melatonin helps you sleep. And the last side effect is your energy is going to skyrocket. If you're drinking the water on a daily basis, what the water does is it allows your body to produce serotonin. And serotonin, by the way, increases your energy. Those are the 4 minor side effects of the Kangen alkaline water.
So this Japanese company, Enagic, our company, it understand about how active hydrogen. They created this machine. The water, it go through the machine, it will do the electrolysis process, so it will break the water molecule into H negative and H positive. So it will come out the H negative for us to drink.
And to install this unit, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes. It can be installed in any type of faucet in the kitchen. The way you turn on the unit is by basically